So today I'm going to bring you my review on the Cinati 2-pack cable management system. Now in the box, you're going to get the trays themselves, which are 6 inches high by 5 inches deep. And as you can see, plenty of hole space to secure whatever you need to put in here, whether it's cables or surge protectors or what have you. You see you got your screw holes here on both sides. The beautiful thing about these is it comes with 2 different mounting methods. One, you're going to get 5 of these adhesive strips, 2 for each one and an extra. Now, the way this works is if you got a glass table or something you don't want to permanently mount this to, you will peel this, attach this, and then this will just slide right in that hole. Use the screw cap, screw it in, and secure it in place. Now, it also comes with 5 screws, 2 for each plate plus an extra. And then they give you all this Velcro to go ahead and secure your cables and your wires, just cut as you need into them. You have a full explanation installation sheet, so let's go get it installed. As you can see here, we got a lot of cables to clean up for this one PC, but I also have a second PC that I need to clean up as well. So in my scenario, I chose to screw it in to place because the adhesive on the 2x4 might not hold in the Florida humidity. Something to consider. So I think that's a lot better looking. You can see monitor cables go down underneath the tray, power cables going out to the left, and the rest of the cables coming in there. So that's one side done. All right, so you can see now the basic cabling's all underneath and tidied up. There's still some stuff down there I got to deal with, but for the most part, nice and clean all the way through. Cables are hidden, well taken care of.